Welcome to Best Primary Mathematics channel. Today I would like to present about fractions on the number line. Already you know how to present standard numbers on the number line. Like that we should present fractions also. Few example I given here in the picture. First example 3 by 5. How to present this fraction on the number line. First draw the line. Next 0 by 5 on the number line we should write like this: 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1 whole. Okay, second example 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 5 by 10, 10 by 10. 10 by 10 is equal to 1 whole. Here 5 by 10 is equal to 1 half. Okay, next example 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Here, except 1 by 2, all given fraction have 4 as denominator. Okay, how to present this fraction on the number line? Here, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1 whole. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 half. Okay, like that we should present on the number line. Next example, how to present fraction, how to present whole number as fraction. Okay, how to present whole numbers as a fraction. Given fractions are 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 4 by 5. Here 8 by 5 is more than 1 whole. How to present on the number line? On the number line 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. Here 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, more than 1 whole. Okay, 5 by 5 is equal to 1 whole.